Hello, Cool Art Kids. We're going to be drawing my version of a Chinese dragon. And we're going to start this off with lines straight up and down, dividing the page in half approximately. And then we're also going to go and do a perpendicular line across there, center of the paper. As long as it's in this general area, that's fine. And we're going to take our pencil and just a little bit above this line, we're going to do an arch. I'm going to go this way, and we're going to go this way. A little loop-de-loop on both sides. I may change that a little bit up as we get going. So underneath that, we're going to have an arch. With me so far? This is going to go back here. This is going to go over here. So far, so good. Right above this piece that we did, we're going to do his nose. Going to go, let's see, do this kind of a shape on both sides. See how his face is really symmetrical? Trying to match up exactly both sides. That's not bad, pretty good. Nostril, 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 nostril. He's got to breathe after all. All right. Now, right here is where we're going to have the corners of the eye. So we're going to do that. This is going to go around a couple times. We're going to go one on this side, and then up. And let's see how we're doing. Pretty close. Pretty close. That one's a little bit further off. Let's use this as our middle line. Pretty close. I'm going to leave it, maybe readjust a little bit later. Okay, and then we're going to go over the top of that. Let me see, one. Got the lips. This one. Oh, wait, one more. Maybe one more here. Coming around, coming around, coming around, coming around. Boom. Here we go. Come around. Oop, that one could be a little wider. And then we're going to go across the top from the nose. I think we'll do like a little round pom-pom thing here. One there, and then from that we're going to go over the top and down, over the top and down. So far it's pretty symmetrical. This seems to go out a little further, I think, on this side. Oh yeah, by about that much, so I might shorten that up just a little bit. Might do that right now. Do a quick eraser job. That's what we have eraser for. Middle to the outside of that is about that much. Flip it around. Yeah, we were off by about 1/8 of an inch. So this guy goes here. This guy's going to come down. There, that's better. Didn't say it was going to be easy, you just have to stay with me. Lots of steps in this drawing. Okay, here we go underneath here. Here we go underneath here. There's that line. And then come back around. Yep, about right there. And then back in. Okay, now we're getting balanced. We're going to go from underneath the pom-pom and go up and in. Up and right about here, in. Okay, clean up a few more of these lines we don't need. All right down the middle, we're going to do sort of little bitty dragon teeth. There we go. Maybe one more, maybe a little fang action there. Yeah, I like that. It's a festival dragon, so he's supposed to be happy. He's smiling. And then up on top, we're gonna go another kind of a circle, maybe, as a design. Circle, circle, horn. There we go. I like that. Just made that up. I don't know if they really have that on there or not, but I kind of like that. And then We're going to go over the top of his eyebrows one more time. Way up here. Way up here. Way up here. And then come back down around. Boom. Boom. It's a little thick right there, wouldn't you say? Let's see. There. Get that better. And now for the eyes. The eyes are going to be round as we can get them. We're freehanding them, coming down here. It sits right inside there, and right inside here. That looks about even, I think. All right, well, a little sloppy on that side. And then I might take a little poofy thing and go poofy on this side and curl it up. There we go. Yeah, so this is all one piece, you see. Okay, and then inside here we've got another round circle, another round circle. And then we have one more round circle. This one we can complete. That gives him that festival kind of dragon eyes, if I can name them that. And then one more inside, kind of like a dark pupil with highlights maybe here, maybe here. And then on this side, a pupil that big. Is that about the same size? This one could be a little bit bigger. There we go, pupil. Light's gonna be coming from both sides, I think. So we're gonna go highlight here, maybe another little highlight here. Yeah. Okay, it's making me happy now. It's making me really happy to see this develop. One more circle back here. Maybe another horn here. Just making these decorations up as I go now. Now down here we've got mouth, lower lip, kind of thick here, and then skinny, lower lip, and then it gets skinny. This has got to end up somewhere, so it's going to go way around here, way around here. Here was this guy. Looking pretty well balanced, isn't it? Maybe this side is a little skimpy. Skimpy? Is that a word? Skimp. Oh no, look at that. Bada bing, bada bang. Pretty close. Okay. Whew. Moving on. This is hard work. Now I'm going to add some more stuff just to dress him up a little bit. I'm going to put a tongue in here. That's not his tongue. That's the center of his tongue. And this comes down. And that's going to be his tongue in there. And then we've got a set of teeth running along here. We see the lower teeth going like that, and they're going to all be separated, just about like this. So those will end up being white and white. And that sort of gives you an entryway into the mouth. Maybe a little thickness here. And then sort of a bearded looking thing here. One, right about here. Two, whoops, that's sloppy. Two, threw away my eraser, there it is. There we go. And then another one out here. Here and there. Yeah. Now what else do we have? Across here we're going to have the bearded chin. Ziggy-zaggy back and forth. Zig, zag, zig, zag. All the way across. Vary them a little bit for interest. There we go. One more. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. And the final touch on this before I start adding color, I'm going to go with coming right out from here and right out from here. Kind of side wings. I don't think the festival guy has these. The festival dragon probably doesn't have these, but I like these side kind of wings. Just to dress it up a little bit more. Boom, 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 like that. Okay, coming in, going out, coming in, going out. Is that about right? I think so. Boop, and bloop, flip, and see, that's a little bit off, but maybe before I do my color, I'll reassess this and change that one a little bit. We're back with some color. You can see what I did here. I took some yellow, bright yellow, some ochre yellow, and I blended it in for the yellow portions. I took some of my green oil pastel and used it. I've also detailed with some colored pencil outlining the purple and the black, and then I use this, I guess you would call that a turquoise green, to finish things off. A little bit of pink and purple inside the mouth, which is what I like to do. And then the only thing I left undone on this half was the beard, and I'm not even sure what I'm going to do for that. Maybe I'll match the little pom-pom blue there with blue on this end. And so the next half, now that you've seen what I've done with color here, I will do in a fast forward motion for the other half so we can get this done quickly. All right, I'll be right on that. The last thing I'm going to do is look for places that need more outlining or more clarification to make this a more complete drawing. And for that, I might use some black outlining. There we go. So where's my black? Nice and sharp. And we're almost done. Dark here, maybe along there, maybe coming out of here on these spines, maybe around the outline of his actual cheeks, if you want to call them that. Down here, there, right there. Right there, this side's pretty good. Maybe jiggy here. So he's a little bit softer looking on that bottom edge. And maybe these scaly things hanging down. Here, not too much. That just about does it, ladies and gentlemen. My improvised Chinese dragon. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe right here. Damon's Art.